What is up? How's it going? BTC community, XRP community, DLT community, crypto community, Tezos community, ADA community, VeChain community, Algo community, Holochain community, Holochain community, Nexo community, BTT community, NETBOX community, Gala community, all the communities out there. Guys, welcome to another DL Talk. I know it's a little later than usual, but you know, if you've been following, we don't really stick to a schedule too much on this channel, so appreciate your guys' support. Thanks for tuning in, y'all. We got Funky Fresh 707, Jack Frost, Johnny Morales with the $10 donation starting hot on the live stream. Appreciate you, my man. Guys, let me know if the sound levels are good and the vocal. Coin a Deck 1, how you doing, man? Johnny Morales, you're the man, dude. Thanks for the support. Good to see you, buddy. Alchemist in the house. Alchemist is ready to party, man. He's shrimming it up. He's having some drinks. He's having some good times. He's got the crabs. Thanks for the 10 viewers and 9 likes already to start off the stream. You guys are amazing, man. So let's see what's going on in the past hour, guys. It looks like we do got some red on some other tokens. I have a second window here today now just to keep that on while we're surfing through news. So on this one, we got Skycoin at the top at 440 now for Skycoin. Skycoin's had one hell of a revival and has been sleeping definitely big time. And yeah, very interesting to see Skycoin getting some speculation coming in. Helium, we know a Blue Crew member recently, I think it was Rust or somebody, was just talking about, I think Eknofo shouted out Helium, dude, and that at that time Helium was at $11, so we're in gains right there. I couldn't get a really big bag of Helium, but nonetheless, man, thanks for the Blue Crew shouting out Helium and seeing it going to $14 now. We'll see where it ends up taking us from there. Looks like XDB is going to try to break out and go to 10 cents now. Remember, this one's a fork of the Stellar blockchain, super low cap, $30 million. This one could possibly be making some noise in this bull run coming up. New Cypher was one of our additions to the Discord Eyes Out list. I'm going to get all the picks from the Eyes Out list and put them on just one major list, one PDF, so people can see all the coins we have called or accumulated in that time. Kind of show the prices of what they were at that time to where they're at now. I mean, at the end of the day, it really just seems like if you're just throwing money into the space, if you are in this space and you have some money in at least anything on Coinbase, Binance US, or Uphold, chances are you are seeing some gains in your investment. Granted, that's if, you know, are taking advantage of the dips and not trying to chase pumps. I want to hear the Bagman play some XRP bags. Valid Placebo, you got it, my man. By the way, XRP Bags had a moon party last night. Unfortunately, could not join, man, but those are always good times and definitely would have been liking hanging out with the Blue Crew and the Ghost Island fam there on the live stream. There we go. You got your XRP Bags music in the background. Shout out to XRP Bags, the man, the myth, the already a legend. Just needs to be recognized. Forrest Garlinghouse, what's up, man? RPM, how you doing? XRP OG. Just another bull, just stopping by to drop a like. Thanks for the research, homie. Gonna recap later tonight. Hell yeah, man. We got some good stuff on Tezos tonight for y'all in terms of research. And then we also got some more news coming. So let's go through some of the news previews that we have. Grammy winner The Weeknd prepares to launch crypto-backed NFT collection. We got ECB chief Christine Lagarde says decision on fate of digital euro is approaching. We got FinCEN names former Chainalysis executive acting director as Blanco resigns. Oh, let me get that out of there. We got things about Securitize and Spring and connections with Tezos. Right, so we're going to be taking a look a little bit at Tezos because, you know, this one is one that we were looking for a breakout and we finally got the breakout. So I don't know if it's time to chase the pump with Tezos, but just to show you a little preview into my thinking of why Tezos at the time of its consolidation to the breakout that it currently had seemed like a good investment to me. But once again, guys, I'm not a pro trader, I'm not a financial advisor, and I'll never tell you what to do. Appreciate the Blue Crew tuning in, because that's what we do. We stream to hang out with the Blue Crew and have some good times. So, Tezos, hopefully we can carry some more bullish momentum above right here at we did break through for a bit, but you can see the sellers started coming in. We'll see where we're at 4 o'clock, but we gotta, hopefully we can create a higher high right here, at least create a newer low in hopes that we have another chance to create a higher high and possibly test resistance at around $6, $5.98 for Tezos. And if we can break out of there, it kind of looks like what Tezos is going to be doing. It's possibly some really, you know, like you already got the swing right here. So we just got to see where this is going to retest. And if it does, hopefully it retests back at 528 or at least 501. And then we can keep the party going for Tezos. But yeah, this was a good looking chart, especially when you had this major dip happen right here with Tezos. And then just buying up throughout February, Tezos, and then getting ready for this rise up. Probably going to face some resistance here, but we'll definitely get into more about Tezos in just a bit. Appreciate the Blue Crew tuning in. What's up, guys? Also, we had some news from Gala Games with on the Discord there. Gala Games and Flare. I think they're doing something. I mean, they're obviously partnered up, but I think there was something about their partnership that was just recently announced. So give me a second to get to it. Oh, where's it going right here? Okay, so right here. Exciting, the Go Gala Games node network is working towards becoming a decentralized data provider on Flare, earning FLR in the process. Right? Does that mean all Gala Game nodes will be earning some FLR as well? I don't know about that, but that would be tremendous. I'm sure there's more details to know about here, but yeah, Flare Networks Friday. Who wants a Flare Networks Friday? We are happy to announce that we will be working towards making it possible for the Gala Games node network to contribute to the Flare Time Series Oracle. Read more about it here, but yeah, just loving seeing that continued collaboration between Gala Games, especially being one of the only, I think the only gaming blockchain collaborating with Flare at the moment. And I think that first mover advantage is going to pay dividends for Gala Games down the line, especially with them releasing more games. The future is bright for Gala Games, without a doubt. EOS finally hit the target that we had set up right here at 628, 631. We were accumulating right there at that 398 range. Nice little spike up for EOS, man, and this could just be the beginning. This one's been a sleeping kind of giant, if you will. We'll see if it consolidates to the side for some time, but by summer, this thing could possibly take off and take you up to $8, $8.70, maybe $10. We'll see, man. Once these things start to get that upward momentum, we'll see, you know, it starts really getting, the gains start looking pretty ridiculous. Not saying that that will happen for EOS, but this one's been sleeping for a good bit, and it still has some room to grow. Talking about possibly touching $8, maybe close to 8, like 7.65 for EOS. What else do we got going on in the past hour here on this list? Let me set it up nicely for y'all. Here we go. So yeah, Telos, Skycoin, dude. Skycoin's killing it right now. Skycoin's mooning. Big time. Big time moon for Skycoin. Big time moon right now for Helium. It's moon season, man. April is moon season. Let's go. E-Gold hit one of our first targets. Hell yes. We were calling for E-Gold at around that 130 range. E-Gold's starting to take off, guys. And this one has the momentum to start carrying to 230 and then maybe finding some resting around that range. E-Gold looking very, very nice. Been consolidating for most of March. So, and I think this is maybe a rhythm to kind of look out for. You know, kind of similar to what we were doing before the bull market happened, or as it was happening, we were looking for the ones that are just waiting to join the party, right? And so we have what's it called, like Filecoin was waiting to join the party. It did. eGold, the whole month of February, the whole month of March, just consolidating, waiting to join the continuation of this party. It looks like April will be the continuation of the party for eGold and some of these other cryptos. Like, this is where I look at. I'll go on to the 7-day, the 30-day, the yearly, right? And see which cryptos haven't been doing too well, at least recently. So I like the 7-day because I like to see, oh, this looks like a nice dip to buy for MPXS. Some people, obviously it's not MPXS anymore. It's PundyX now, so we'll see if that's a different price thing. But like something for Theta here. Theta's getting close to $10, and this might be the range right here. Maybe it finds support as resistance at $10, depending on how the charts look. Harmony's been making some major moves, and it's just been consolidating. There's news that's been coming out about Harmony while this thing has been consolidating, and not looking too bad on the 7-day. We're trying to look for dips to take advantage of. We're not trying to chase these 20% pumps, 10% pumps already on the hourly or on the 24-hour. We're trying to find the ones that are going to do that, and then when those are consolidating, like the hollow chains, keep the cycle going, right? Especially during this bull run, it's just really nice taking advantage of some of these, dips in a bull market, in a bull trend, right? But right here, 471 for Celsius, another one that we added to the eyes out list, already making some decent gains from the bottom that we found. Looks like you got, I'm excited for what Celsius is going to be doing in the future, especially once they start incorporating even more coins, which are coming. Hbar confirmed, Cardano confirmed, Wi-Fi confirmed. So we'll see what ends up happening there. Halfway to 1 million. Nice, man. RPM is killing it, dude. Cardoza fam in the house. JC, what's up, man? Let's go, dude. Yeah, Filecoin had a very big retrace for sure. Filecoin's an interesting one, man, because it's not one that I'm breaking the bank for. I do like it because it is in the Greg Kidd portfolio and what he's talked about it being a decentralized Dropbox. But I'm very interested in these kind of future storage ones, like StoreX, that's going to be coming out on Zinfin. Obviously Akash and what they're doing with DeFi Cloud. Especially in terms of the market cap between those two. But that doesn't mean I'm going to be selling all. Like, I'm holding Filecoin long term regardless. And most of the cryptos that I get in, aside from my Tradle portfolio, HODL portfolio, Tradle portfolio. It's the way I try to go about it. So many coins looking to potentially moon soon. I mean, this is what the thing is, and this is the sign. Like, it's an unhealthy market, but if at least we know that, because the prices, just like they said in the Saturday Night Live skit, the prices go up and down, you see, right? So it's not only just like an exponentially. If you're just looking at it years ahead, yes, it's like an upward trend. But with major moves onto the upside, you're going to be getting major moves towards the downside. Hell, even before Holochain started breaking this 2-cent barrier, remember when it broke through 1 cent, it soared way past 1 cent, went to 1.7, retraced big time, and then next thing you know, it's like starting to move again, right? This one's high volatility, without a doubt, going on with Holochain. But remember, high volatility going up, high volatility going down, right? It's just knowing when to say, okay, I'm taking profits here, man. Like, this one rode up pretty nice, right? If you're doing a Tradle portfolio thing. But that's why for my HODL portfolio, I'm looking like years ahead for those, right? Like, I'll deal with the cycles that are happening, but years ahead I'm trying to look out for my HODL portfolio. Alrighty, let's get into some of the news, you guys. Grammy winner The Weeknd prepares to launch crypto-backed NFT collection. Grammy Award winner The Weeknd is entering the wild world of NFTs. His new collection, which features new music and limited edition artwork, will be available in auction at 2 p.m. EST this Saturday. The NFTs can be bought with Ethereum. NFTs use crypto technology to assign unique identification codes and metadata digital art, such as images and songs, essentially providing digital certificates of ownership. Blockchain is democratizing an industry that has historically been kept shut by the gatekeepers. The collection will be listed as NFT Gateway, where The Weeknd will auction a total of 4 NFTs. 3 will be a combination of previously unreleased filtered song clips and visual artwork created in partnership with Strange Loop Studios. The 4th and single unique art piece, accompanied by the full unfiltered new song, will be offered in a 24-hour auction. So yeah, man, just more adoption coming in, and it's kind of getting ridiculous now. Now you're having a lot of the celebrities getting in on this. Music celebrities, pop culture celebrities. Like, I think there was a post like just recently, like Paris Hilton now is in she's saying, "Oh, I love Bitcoin." You know, Bitcoin's hot. Like, you know, freaking the way that Paris Hilton says her stuff. Like that's happening now. So this is getting like kind of scary range, right? But ooh, XYO killing it, dude. Cardozo fam's loving XYO, man. Happy we just let that one run. It's all about patience. Civic could be in profit taking a range if you're trading. Okay, nice. Thanks for bringing the heads up right there. Kova's doing good. Dude, Kova? What? I gotta check this one out. Oh, Kova Unity? Oh, nice, man. Alright. Yeah, we gotta keep an eye out for this one. We'll put it on the portfolio. Or the list, I mean. Super Farm is rolling. Nice, dude. Oh, you guys are amazing, man. Thanks so much for your support. Thanks to the 18 viewers and the 27 viewers and 18 likes. You guys are amazing. XRP Joe in the house. What's up, man? Can you link that NFT giveaway article? Legendary, you got it, my man. There's the link if you guys want to join in on that. We got the ECB chief Christine Lagarde says decision on fate of digital euro is approaching. The European Central Bank could soon take the first step toward launching a digital version of the euro. In a new interview with Bloomberg TV, Lagarde says the ECB's decision-making governing council will be determining whether to move forward with deployment in mid-2021. If a decision to move forward is reached, Lagarde says that she expects it to kick off a development phase that will last years. We need to make sure that we do it right. We owe it to the Europeans. The whole process, let's be realistic about it, will in view take another 4 years, maybe a little more. Damn. The ECB plans to release an analysis of its public consultation process on the potential launch of central bank digital currency, which will then be reviewed by a European Parliament. The next decision on whether to roll out a digital currency will be made 6 months to a year after that. It's a technical endeavor as well as fundamental change. We need to make sure that we're not going to break any system, but enhance the system. Yeah, doesn't that sound like some Ripple talk right there? We're not trying to circumvent the system. We're trying to work within the system. Didn't Chris Larson recently say, we're not here to replace fiat, we're here to make fiat run better on the XRPL, enhance the system? Lagarde says cash is not going anywhere even after the launch of a digital euro, but she notes that consumer buying habits certainly changed due to the situation we're in, the way in which they've changed the way they buy, the way they order, get their food, the way they pay. It is moving in a digital dimension, which we should not be afraid of. Globally, several central banks are developing CBDCs, but only the Bahamas has actually launched a digital national currency in October 2020 called the Sand Dollar. It is backed 1-to-1 with the Bahamian dollar, which in turn is pegged to the US dollar. So man, Things are heating up, man. It's getting exciting, without a doubt. We have... Oh, what's up, Cardoza fam? What's up, man? Much love to you, GDLT and the Blue Crew. Moon or bust, Cardoza. You got it, man. You got it. Exactly, man. The future is distributed ledger technology, and the future is bright, right? Ignis. Dude, nice, man. You went on the Ignis train. You went on the Ignis train, you son of a gun. You're... Dude... I don't know too much about it because it's really complicated to understand what Ignis and Ardor are doing. Like, it really seems like you would have to be a developer to understand what the hell they're doing. But, yeah, like, Ardor was one of those technologies that drew, you know, major percentage gains alongside the Ripples, the XRPs, and XLMs in 2017 and 2018, right? So now with their Ignis that they've just released, it's still a really relative, like, this is what makes me bullish. Like, Ignis reminds me a lot of what Nuls is doing with Nerve, NVT, right? So NVT, we're still waiting for this one to be popping off, and this one's it doesn't have even a year under its belt in percentage yet, because it's still a young crypto, right? And it's just been going sideways in this area for a long time, right? And I definitely appreciate Nuls. Like, Nuls has been making some awesome gains since we entered. We'll see what ends up happening in the future, though. Of course, you can never guarantee anything in this space. But I'm holding long. Hopefully, Nuls can reach its previous all-time high, which I believe was like about, I don't know, $8 or something like that. Let's see what Nuls' previous all-time high was. All-time high 827. So that would be awesome to creep closer to that range with Nuls. And then I hope NVT follows suit because of its connection with Nuls. I mean, NVT is still ready to, still hasn't followed Nuls in the price movement. Nuls is well over $1 right now, and NVT is around here. I'm looking forward to seeing what's going to possibly happen with this one, though. It's such a new crypto, and I really like Nuls personally. But that same thing with Ignis and Ardor. So let's look at Ardor. Ardor was one of the big gainers in 2017, right? And let's see where its previous all-time high was for that one. Previous all-time high for Ardor was 255. It's getting pretty close to that. It's at 39 cents right now. About $1 billion in circulating supply. But this one's like so crazily manipulated. Like, look at all this, like, how do you even read this chart, right? But yeah, already over 1,000 percentage gains over the year. You know, we'll see what Ardor ends up doing in Ignis, and then Nuls and NVT. They kind of remind me of pretty similar kind of setups right there. Oh, Cardoza is saying $20 is all-time high. Nice, dude. DC Precise, happy Friday to you, my man. What's up, dude? Good to see you. You guys are amazing, man. Thanks to the Blue Crew. Hope you guys are having a good time. Appreciate y'all. Let's get into... FinCEN names former Chainalysis executive acting director as Blanco resigns. Governments are becoming increasingly interested in crypto transaction surveillance as FinCEN hires suggest. The Financial Crimes Enforcement Network, FinCEN, is just hired Chainalysis' former chief technical officer as its new acting director, a hire that reflects the federal government's increased interest in growing cryptocurrency sector. Michael Moisier will assume the post on April 11th, my birthday, following the departure of current director Kenneth Blanco, who announced his resignation. Blanco's tenure at FinCEN was marked by his stance at the burgeoning crypto industry is subject to existing regulations, and as such does not require its own legal framework. Established in 2014, Chainalysis uses public blockchain data to trace and de-anonymize cryptocurrency transactions for law enforcement, private companies, and government agencies. The company's software has been used by public and private entities to trace exchange hacks and pinpoint illicit transactions. With the new bull market in cryptocurrencies, Chainalysis and its products have found favor with U.S. federal and state agencies. yeah, man. I mean, we'll see when these regulators really decide to start coming into this space and trying to take away some of these bad actors. But it really doesn't look like they're doing that right now. Looks like they're just letting it run, man. Letting some of the, their buddies make some crazy profits, and then they can all cash out on the same time when the regulators start coming in. Elich Irias, SNX, Sushi, 0x, Graph Token, BNT. Nice collection right there, my man. I love Graph Token and BNT specifically out of those, but that's awesome, man. Love Live Heal. Good to see you guys. Awesome channel over there. Love Live Heal. Good material as well. We got a very strong presence with the Blue Crew today, man. I just love seeing all these blue wrenches. Awesome. And if you guys aren't part of the Blue Crew yet and you're watching, feel free to drop a little comment in the chat and you can get a wrench. Join the Blue Crew. Appreciate y'all tuning in. Alright, so we're going to go into Tezos, guys, because this one I feel is like still sleeping, even at these current prices, but it did just recently boom, so I don't know when it is going to retrace and what the bottom is just yet. But one of the, reasons we were looking into Tezos, I think it was, like I said, I like to try to find cryptos that not many people are talking about or maybe are overlooking because they're going in other directions. And Tezos is a classic boring crypto. I really like boring cryptos, the ones that they're doing things and stuff's coming out. It's just not really showing in price fluctuation or anything at the moment. But Tezos has a very, very nice long, if you look at the chart for Tezos here, especially with the RSI, it's so nice. The RSI is since basically 2019 or 2018 even for Tezos, it has been nothing but an long-term upward trend for Tezos. And you do have high volatility that's happening with Tezos. It just doesn't seem like it sometimes, right? You had a burst right here from 46 cents all the way up to $1.73 for Tezos, right? Major consolidation, way under $1. High volatility to the upside, taking you from under $1 to $3.92. Coming down, high volatility again, 113 up to 445. Some really good gains that could possibly come here from Tezos, but this one might be the next top unless it finally decides to break this overhead resistance and really just start mooning and going for the run right here. It has been creating this upward sloping momentum, this new kind of long-term support trend right here in this direction since December, since Christmas basically. Tezos has just been in an upward trajectory, right? And in the long term upward for Tezos, right? So I was really looking at this part right here, these areas. I mean, I've accumulated Tezos over time, but this past 2.5 weeks or something, or this month, I was like, this is the dip to buy. I think Tezos was the dip to buy around this range. Obviously 355 now to where we're at, possibly 527. Hopefully it goes beyond that sometime soon. You never know. I'm not trying to get people to FOMO. I'm just trying to communicate what I'm seeing with Tezos. So then you go over to, the Tezos.foundation, and then they have Tezos.com, right? Security focused, upgradable, built to last. And the upgrades have been happening more frequently and easily being executed and successful. So they just recently released some news on that. But if you look at their website, they've been doing things in 2021 and 2019, 2020. They've been doing a lot of things, right? It's just boring, right? It's not like a nice photograph or an interactive thing or anything like that. It's just straight up facts right in your face in text. Not really the most precious looking website, right? The visuals aren't that appealing. I get it. I understand. Their team is stacked though, and global. Singapore, New York, London, Paris, Switzerland, right? They have they just had a recent upgrade proposal, right? So we're going to check that out in just a second. We check out Tezos Foundation, building real-world use cases on Tezos. The Tezos Foundation supports companies and institutions that create products on the Tezos protocol. And these kinds of collaborations, the focus typically lies in building an understanding of the technology, identifying relevant technology applications, and funding projects when necessary or advantageous. We are currently focusing on the following projects: digital securities, payment, central bank digital currencies, decentralized finance. Other areas include gaming, sports, media, and supply chain. Examples of collaborations right here. You got Alliance, Andrew Capital, Banks, Bitcoin Suisse, BTG Pactual, Elevated Returns, Fundament Group, Global Cap, Securitize, which is one we're going to highlight for sure. So Vertalo, StakerDAO, Taurus Group, T0, and then you have Securitize right here. Securitize is a platform to deliver trusted global solutions for creating compliant digital securities, including funds, equity, fixed income, and real estate. Securitize will integrate Tezos into its offering, which will be available to issuers from around the world, right? So outside of this, and I found it interesting that it wasn't on the Tezos website, but they are on what we really like, the blockchain service network, right? It's one of the good indicators of, like, we really like China's blockchain service network and what they're adding on there. They recently just had Corda being added onto that, right? But you have Tezos as well. So let's just see one of their, let's see where Tezos is at. XTZ, no. Give me a second. I gotta type them both down. Oh my gosh. Okay, there we go. So China's BSN International integrates support for Tezos network. So not only are they in all those other countries, they're also in China's government-backed blockchain project, right, for Tezos. And this one, you can get staking rewards on Coinbase with it. It was one of the first that you can get staking rewards on Coinbase. And remember, Coinbase is going to have, you know, a listing on April 14th, you guys. So the Coinbase coins are going to probably, maybe, we don't know. It might be a sell the news situation. But you would think more adoption would start coming in for Coinbase as well, and the coins that are on Coinbase, right? So all the ones under $1 that we've been talking about, that we're excited about, still excited about them because of that type of event and how that's going to play out well for those coins throughout the year, right? So they're part of the blockchain service network. Their websites, they're still developing, still doing a lot of these interesting things right here, where you have, for example, artist Mike Taika dropped a new NFT series on Tezos backed marketplace, right? Subsidiary TQ Tezos has been unveiled. Tezos Foundation March 2021 biannual update has already been released just yesterday. So then we move forward. We check out their report, their biannual update, right? And here it is. Okay. So the biannual update from Tezos. Tezos has seen more evolution in the past 2 years than the rest of the industry combined. Through its upgradability, other blockchains become Tezos' testnets. It's pretty interesting, right? Share this link with you guys if you guys want to look further. But 1 grant every 3 days, 2 new council members since August 2020. US dollar M in assets, minted in assets as of January 31st, 2021, 1,176. 51.3 million USD minted new grants committed, or 51.3. Grant platform launched, right? Flying evolves, Tezos evolves. Tezos has had 5 upgrades: Athens, Babylon, Carthage, Delphi, Edo. I'll share this with you guys if you guys want to look deeper into this. So then we move over to Securitize, which we were highlighting. And if you look at the investors in Securitized, these guys are the big wigs, man. These are all a big deal, right? Blockchain Capital, Blockchain.com, Borderless Capital, Coinbase Ventures, Fenbushi Capital. And remember, Coinbase has also not only was Tezos one of the first that you can start staking on Coinbase, it was one of the sorry, excuse me. Tezos was one of the one of the ones that had the highest security rating from Coinbase's rankings, right? MUFG, Innovation Partners, SBI Holdings, right? And then check this out at the bottom, Tezos and Spring, right? The XRP logo right there, Tezos logo right there. Under all these people, Fenbushi Capital, Coinbase Ventures, Blockchain Capital, MUFG, SBI Holdings, OK Blockchain Capital, right? So OKB. And then back in 2019, even BankXRP Securitized becomes an SEC registered transfer agent, right? Coinbase Ripple invests in Securitized to tokenize the $7 trillion securities industry. Investing in Securitized, the compliance platform for digitizing securities on blockchain. So Tezos is looking like a bigger deal than a lot of people want to give it credit for. And seems boring, but it looks like they're actually doing some tremendous things. So just wanted to share y'all with Tezos there. Definitely one I'm getting more and more bullish on. Maybe it's too late to chase the pump right now with Tezos in the short term, but I'm expecting some really awesome things for it in the long term. No reason it shouldn't be around the prices with the supply that it has, which is, sorry, oh, give me a second. Yeah, you're talking about a 765 million total supply for Tezos, man. Not bad at all right there. Let's catch up with the yep, coin's gonna be big time. Coinbase's stock, their coin stock is gonna be huge, man. Tezos, and just wait until you can start using stocks for like everyday type of payments. Coin will probably be even bigger, right? Yeah, Tezos is looking loaded up, without a doubt. Cardoza fam likes Tezos. Oh, what's up, Stovetop? Here's a wrench, my man. With a wrench comes great responsibility. Please use it wisely. Welcome to the Blue Crew, man. Came for the crypto info, stayed for the chill tunes. Nice, man. Welcome to the Blue Crew, man. Been hodling and staking Adam as well. Gotta love Adam, dude. We love Adam on this channel. We love the boring cryptos that definitely have a bigger impact on this space than we realize, but not many people talk about. Adam being one of them, IOTA, Hbar, XRP, XLM, Tezos. All those seem like powerhouses in the making. What else? Nuls, Solana, right? We were big. I mean, I'm still big on Filecoin. I'm just holding what I got with Filecoin, but now it's just like at that point where do we even need to really talk about it anymore? Now do you believe, right? Yeah, coin is going to create a crypto mania without a doubt. I mean, you're going to start opening up the possibilities for Coinbase commercials, right? There's going to be a lot of things that could possibly open up wide. I mean, you already have Coinbase commercials. What I'm trying to say is like large scale Coinbase commercials possibly coming if it all works out. Evan XRP, Tezos is a must-have. Get 1 or 100, but get some automatic staking for Tezos on Coinbase. Tim Draper. Yep. Dude, Tezos is... And I take my Tezos and I put it over to Binance US because you get better returns. on your staking. But yeah, I love holding Tezos as well on Coinbase and earning the staking. But I just love, like, I think it's just one that's really highly underrated, and it does transact very fast. And as you can see, it's very upgradable, right? And that's a very confident statement, saying where other blockchains can be Tezos's test nets. Like, what? Yeah, exactly, like E-Trade level commercials. Oh man, we're just getting started with like the public's, like, who knows if this is the real big time mass adoption, where you just see this craze keep going, and like you're already starting to see Coinbase, like mega Coinbase commercials, mega, like, just more and more celebrities starting to call out other cryptos that they're interested in, altcoin buzz, right? Like, just wait until the celebrities start talking about, oh, I love the altcoins, right? Instead of just only Bitcoin. This Xmas give me Moss X. This Crypto Sniper saying Tezos, yeah, man. Happy holidays, getting that crypto raise, gonna blast off for days. Giving the gift that Evan XRP saying so 1,000, dude. I mean, I'm not here to try to sell hopium or hype. I'm just telling you, I really like Tezos as a very long-term, like, that one is a long-term hodl portfolio crypto any day of the week for me, man. I really like what I see from Tezos, and like what the videos I've seen about them, the type of, you know, things they've been involved with and institutions they're getting involved with. Looks like a real boat to me. That's all I'm saying. I like real boats. I'll speculate and play with paper boats, but the ones that are going to be able to ride that tsunami and handle the tsunami of money that's going to be coming to this space, I think are going to be the real boats. Yep, Zilliqa staking I hear is great. Akash staking is tremendous on like, if we're looking for just a pure, like, if you're just looking for staking rewards, just staking rewards, I think something like Hydra is a really big one, because you can get over 100% or something like that on a Qcoin. And then Akash for me, though, like, the combination of staking mixed with a real boat. I'm not saying Zilliqa isn't a real boat, not at all, but the combination of staking with a real boat and the percentage, Akash is just amazing right now. 50+%. Like, we saw that post on Twitter the other day, right, by this guy. We'll check out posts for AKT right now. But this guy said it perfectly, man. And that's some pretty damn good, like, passive income over a month if you're expecting Akash to stick around that same type of price level. Obviously, that's the thing you do with a bunch of staking, is you're hoping the price goes up as well as while you're earning these rewards. But this guy, man, this was perfect right here. Staking 1,000 AKT can generate staking rewards of 47 AKT per month, which is 238 USD at the current inflation rates bonded ratio and price per AKT. If you compound your rewards every 2 to 3 days, your return is 64 AKT per month, which is 325 USD. Now imagine if you only had like 100 AKT, so that would be 4.7 AKT per month, which would be about 23.8 US dollars per month at the current price. That's still tremendous, man. Oh, Johnny Morales. I'm not sure about Hydra anymore, but I just remember seeing that the last time. Oh yeah, we're still watching. We're still partying. Yeah, and then, oh, we got some awesome news recently on NETBOX as well, guys. Gotta share the NETBOX love, because I've been enjoying using their browser. And guys, I'm not like sponsored by them. It's just one that I'm punting on, but I've been liking what I've been seeing in their developments. You know, everybody's got those like super low cap cryptos that they really kind of get not attached to, but that they really start enjoying. And I've been enjoying using NETBOX Global, NETBOX Browser, and earning some, you know, passive income through their masternode and their staking and surfing the web. Like, I can't go back to Google or Mozilla and surf the web and get paid while using MBX, but they just had some awesome news recently. Yeah, right here, 7 hours ago. Board the NETBOX Global Rocket to learn more about tri-directional and reversible bridge to Ethereum and Binance Smart Chain, DeFi lending platform and DEX listings, games platform, and how we plan on taking MBX to the next level. Right? Multilingual mobile NETBOX browser will be released as one of the main products to reach new audiences and get real NETBOX adoption. Just surf the web to get daily rewards while you use your mobile device. So looks like Apple iPhone integration will be coming soon. You can already upload it through Google Play or the Android store. NETBOX Bridge is tri-directional and reversible cross-chain bridge from Ethereum blockchain to Binance Smart Chain. The value can travel seamlessly between 3 chains, NETBOX, Ethereum, and Binance Smart Chain. Transacting in NETBOX is actually really cheap as well, like sub hundreds of a penny to transact with NETBOX, which I think is interesting. So I'm excited for their NETBOX Pay that they'll be coming out with. NETBOX DeFi is the movement that leverages decentralized networks to transform old financial products into trustless and transparent protocols, and includes MBX staking, lending platform, prediction markets, also NETBOX games coming. They have NETBOX.video, NETBOX.pay. I'm excited to see what's going to be happening with this one. One that I'm just heavily speculating on, but I've actually been enjoying using their browser and their wallet. Like, it's pretty cool. So shout out to NETBOX yet again. Somehow NETBOX had to creep into the stream, didn't it? All right, let's go back to the charts. Let's see what's going on here, you guys. So EOS now at 617. It's creeping up. It's doing its thing. Let's see ICX go back to $3. ICX had a really big retracement. We'll see if it goes down even lower. But if it does, we're buying that dip big time for ICX. The future's bright in terms of icon as well. Yeah, and let's see what Solana is going to continue to do, man. It's consolidating pretty nicely around that range. Hot token. Damn it, man. So mad to miss this boat. Don't know if it's a real boat, but definitely so sad to not be in those gains, in those fat gains for HOT. Waves starting to wake up. Definitely one of those boring cryptos as well that I'm really excited about. All the water coins, Ocean Protocol, Waves, Ripple, if you will, and Hydro. Hydro started waking up a bit. It went up to around 6 cents. Let's see where Hydro ends up going in the future. I'm so excited about the future of that project. And, you know, the people who, hopefully the people who stuck around and had patience with it will get rewarded pretty well for Hydro. Especially with that whole redeployment and conversion. We'll see. My gosh, XYO, dude. Oh my God, man. Wow. You gotta love a bull market, man. You gotta love a bull market. STMX getting close. Oh my gosh, XTMX is killing it, man. It's going close to 10 cents now. Wow. Wow. Oh my God. 642 for EOS. Why am I seeing different prices on this? Come on, CoinGecko, get your crap together, man. 44 cent for XLM. Get ready, dude. All the Coinbase coins are just gonna start going nuts right now. Evan XRP, I think Bitmart, man. Oh, Mr. Yan, GraphLink GLQ IDE use case is now being used on all the exchanges, Binance, and etc. Good call, Mr. Yan. Always making us aware of GLQ. For sure, my man. Thanks for bringing the awareness to the Blue Crew. What do you think about Anchor? I dig Anchor. I'm not super over-the-top bullish about it, but I dig it. I don't know enough about it, my man, but if you want to share any knowledge that you really dig about it. GZIL's $515. Wow. What do y'all think about Anchor? Okay, we got that. Soul staking on Moonlet. Yep, you can stake your soul. Yeah, I dig AKT, man. I would definitely do, you know, obviously it's your decision. I'll never tell you guys what to do. And I'm not a financial advisor, but I'd be doing my due diligence on it so you can feel more confident about it. So if there is any major swings, you know where you're at least holding versus just like, you know, that's the best thing, man, is doing your research on any of the ones that you expect to be a long-term hodl for you. And the way you keep hodling them for the long term is by doing the research and, you know, knowing ultimately what you hold. That's what keeps us hodling strong with XRP, XLM, XTZ, right? XDC as well. Solana. Wow, BTT. No, I believe you, man. Tron and BTT are gonna kill it. They're not gonna stop, man. BTT and Tron will definitely get some more talk. You watch. They're not gonna stop. Tron's gonna go to probably $1. BTT might go to 10 cents, y'all. Not joking. Not joking at all. I don't know if it's in this bull market, but we have a whole year ahead of us, you guys, and this could be just like how 2017 was, where the party just went on for the whole year and really just peaked near the end of the year. Maybe we get a same reflection this year, but who knows? Some people are saying this technically is like the end of year 2017 to some people. Like the point that we're in right now is like that. Yeah, I hear you, Mr. Yan. Sometimes you just got to trust your fellow Blue Crew member and just be like, okay, they just, you know, they called it during a nice really dip. It's just one you got to go into so you could benefit from the impulse up. I think there was a situation like that with Thea D. Thea D called out I forgot which coin it was, but called out this coin, and before I could get into it, I waited about a day or so. It mooned. Not saying that that's going to happen, you know, but that is something that does, like when you're streaming and interacting with your, you know, with the participants, and especially here in the Blue Crew, you guys are like, you guys are on it with the type of cryptos that you guys are looking out for good trade opportunities. And that's what I love about it. Guys, 30 likes, 41 viewers. What's up? Let's check out what's going on with the Akasha's chart here, because this one, I'm surprised it's still technically at the price that it's at, but we'll see what ends up happening. Really long consolidation for Akash, right? You don't know if this might be longer. Really, we need a strong breakout. Like, this is a good breakout already from this resistance here. We need that strong candle to carry us through and give us reason to believe it can really start breaking through, you know, 638 and beyond for AKT. This one's just been consolidating though heavily since the end of February, just going down, down, down. Deep retracement zone right over here at around what was it, 478. Then it just started slowly rising up. Nice bullish momentum on the rise up for sure. We just need that breakout. We need that sick breakout for AKT to come. The RSI looks nice. We'll see how the MACD looks. But yeah, it's looking pretty close to the verge of something. Who knows? Maybe these, you know, the MACD starts breaking a little bit bullish for us, just to give us reason to believe it can break this all-time high that it currently has of 654. Exactly, Alchemist. Everybody's a genius in a bull market though, right? It's just, you at this point you could just be oh my gosh, guys, XYO, dude. You could just be throwing your money at basically almost any project, at least anything in the top 100, it seems like, and you should be probably making some profits, right? Obviously anything outside of the top 100, like the XYOs and stuff. Definitely liking Jesus, man. Wow. XYO, dude. Wow. What a call. What a call. We've moved over a complete 0. My gosh, man. I should have gone like much bigger. Like just over the top. But hey, man, if it starts taking us to 10 cents, then it's like, wow. Wow, what just happened with XYO, right? Still low cap, too. That's the insanity of it. Still super low cap, despite that price. Wonderful journey right there. Did not expect XYO to be one of my, if not, no, I think one of my biggest gainers, up there with the Hbars and Cotis. Pretty absurd. Yep. BCH has got some upside as well. Let's check out Bitcoin Cash. I mean, Bitcoin Cash is going to be an F asset for Flare Networks, man. And they're keeping that, like, their lips shut on Bitcoin Cash big time. Not looking too bad, though. You are hitting... You're probably going to retrace here in the short term for Bitcoin Cash. Test this area right here at around... Oh, this is Bitcoin. I was like, why is the price so high? But yeah, Bitcoin looks like there might be a retracement in the short term there for what I was seeing just earlier. Alright, so created your high or low. You need to create a higher high, at least touching around here, this area, between 684 to 642. So you want that bullish momentum to continue up towards this upside. Then you probably will retrace, come back down, test this as previous, the previous support as resistance, or I mean resistance as support, and then break up towards the upside right here. If you're looking for continuous bullish momentum, and it really could run to a pretty high price. You're talking about close, about like probably $825 for Bitcoin Cash coming. If it continues towards the upside, you do have a long-term upward trend. Ooh, interesting. That's interesting. Is Bitcoin Cash getting rejected there? Is it getting rejected here for another move down? I don't know, man. I like that higher low, so I'm going to go with the higher low where it's at and assume we're still in a safe upward trajectory right here. That looks about right. Yeah, you haven't shot perhaps in the short term, at least for 640 for Bitcoin Cash. Maybe 624, 625. Yeah, XYO is killing it, dude. XYO has blown my mind. I really should have just put an extra good amount in there. That one was just such a hard one to tell if it was a like. This is still not an indication that XYO is a real boat, but I definitely like seeing that bullish momentum and the possibilities of what XYO could be bringing. Yeah, Johnny. Exactly, Johnny. Shout out to Johnny Morales, the man, the myth, the legend. Binance listing XVG, boom time, no way. Sir Captain Sticks. Wow. Binance listing XVG. They delisted it, right? Didn't they have it on Binance at some point and they delisted it and now they're relisting it? Or is Binance.us listing XVG? Yep, gotta trust your instincts and take a chance on some coins. Cardoza fam, you are totally right, man. ZNZ being a really big lesson in that one. I don't know, man. If I get some, like, now I'm starting to think, what can I do with my XYO profits? And maybe I can get one of these Zenzo master nodes, or keep accumulating until I can finally get a PAC master node. Speaking of PAC, what's the price of PAC currently right now? Okay, it's been looking like it's grounding out there at that 0.13 range. Let's look at the chart for pack. I want to try to get a pack node, man. I want to get one of those master nodes. Yeah, dude, I'm so, like, I love pack, but I'm very much hoping that it crashes down to under a penny just for a short bit, or around a penny even. You know, I have a chart right here saying the bottom would be at around 0.009, which would just be so amazing. That would be the best opportunity right there to grab that pack node and just go with the deal for it. I'm hoping it's like gonna take this long term, like, it looks like a pack would maybe start coming back around in the 2nd or 3rd week of April if it follows this trajectory on the daily, which I certainly hope so. I hope it falls right here to under a penny. If it does, I'm totally coming in for, I hope it has a super deep retrace, not to the 61.8. I want to see it go to the 78.6 right there. And right at that moment, I want to be, I think anywhere in that 0.9 range, I really want to buy that pack node. Oh, pairing XVGBUSD, nice. Any thoughts on Omi, Crypto and Sun? I like Omi. I just want to see, like, they have a great, I just need to do more research on it, and I want more liquidity. I want easier places for me to accumulate it. I know you can get it on Gate.io, but I haven't used Gate.io in a long time. Maybe I'll get some Omi right there. That one does sound very appealing, but just interested to see, you know, how it grows. You know, maybe it has a little bit of a major retracement coming in for it, and maybe that would be a good time to enter on Omi. But you know, hesitation has screwed me over a bunch on a bunch of these cryptos, so maybe that's going to be the case for me with Omi. But I hear a lot of bullish sentiment, big time, about Omi. Massive bullish sentiment. ANRX, you got it, Sir Captain Sticks. Nice, dude. Hopefully you made some awesome gains off this, my dude. We'll add it to the list, though, for sure. 200 million supply, we like that. Past 30 days, it's been on fire. Good call, man. Super low cap. Let's see what anchor key is. NFT breaks records #1 and #2 on Rarible. 650K sales in 2 weeks. ANR key. Purchase, play, stake NFTs, and compete. Oh, nice. Staking your NFTs. That is going to be the big thing, without a doubt. That's going to continue to be big, is staking your NFTs. Partnerships with Polygon, Chainlink, Paid Network, Plasma Pay, Exceed Me. Interesting, man. Blockchain Game Alliance. Very nice find, dude. Definitely gonna have to look into this one, especially in my Tradle portfolio. This sounds like a perfect one for the Tradle portfolio. But anyways, guys, much love to the Blue Crew, guys. Thank you guys so much for tuning in for another DL Talk. I'll see you guys very soon for another DLT late night live stream today, which will probably be in about, I don't know, 8 to 9 hours from now. But much love to the Blue Crew. You guys are amazing. Get some Tezos with XYO profits. Tezos is about to go full on. NFT Worlds. Dude, Evan XRP, I feel you, man. I'm pretty excited about it as well, my man. Yep, 130 would be a nice entry for Filecoin. ACH is Asia's version of Pundi X. Okay, we'll add it as well. But much love to the Blue Crew. You guys are amazing. Thank you, BTC community, XRP community, DLT community, crypto community, Blue Crew community, Gala community, NETBOX community, Akash community, Cosmos community, Tezos community, XLM community, Dot community, Uni community, Anchor community, BCH community, TRX community, VChain community, all the communities out there. You guys are amazing. The future is distributed ledger technology, and the future is bright. Much love to y'all. Thank you to the Blue Crew. Your support means the world, you guys. Keeps us doing what we're doing here. Thank you guys so much, man. Much love. I'll see you guys very later. Let's end it with an awesome XRP bag song. See you guys soon.
Steve
Adios.
and Dave use eToro to trade cryptocurrencies.
Little commercial.
Steve
Here we
does
go.
extensive
We don't give a fuck what you do with your money. You done had a chance, now them bulls, yeah, they coming. And we don't give a fuck what you do with your money. You done had a chance, now them bears, yeah, they running. Them bulls coming, them bears running. The masses, what they dumbing. I know they up to something. The government's corrupted. You just a puppet, a sleepy muppet. XRP disrupted. Stuffing bags, yeah, we hunting. To the moon, we erupting. Bags busting. You didn't get it, stayed reluctant. And now we upping. Your face melting, look disgusted. You ain't trusted. Feel the boom, that's destruction. You had a bag, but you punted. Wrong adjustment, now we stunting. Bags pumping, profits jumping. And we ain't never coming back. It's me and Alex D on the track. Keep talking smack, get your bags jacked. We don't give a fuck what you do with your money. You done had a chance, now them bulls, yeah, they coming. And we don't give a fuck what you do with your money. You done had a chance, now them bears, yeah, they running. We don't give a fuck what you do with your money. You done had a chance, now them bulls, yeah, they coming. And we don't give a fuck what you do with your money. You done had a chance, now them bears, yeah, they running.
Talking about XRP and what you see. It's a 20-cent coin, but not to be longer cause we are removing. Put your gloves, glasses, helmet on, we're moving. Tune in, be terrible. Flashing coins in the air, it's unbearable. Rattles round town, just a Uber in. Now we having dinner with our girl Bean. You know what I mean? Can't wait to buy a house, full Lambo or limousine. It's funny, pancake be dripping with the golden honey. XRP be flying high when it's handling all the money. It's a bull run, let's go, get your ledger out and blow. Remember, please remember, just remember.
We don't give a fuck what you do with your money. You done had a chance, now them bulls, yeah, they coming. And we don't give a fuck what you do with your money. You done had a chance, now them bears, yeah, they running. We don't give a fuck what you do with your money. You done had a chance, now them bulls, yeah, they coming. And we don't give a fuck what you do with your money. You done had a chance, now them bears.